I find a lot of people do, especially in this time, they try to just move what they've done offline to online, which is, I just need to make sure they're behind their desks and working. Well,
Right.
you can't see what they're doing at their desks, so that already makes it impossible, and therefore, you just messaging someone, are you behind your desk and working? Well, let me tell you a story. I used to work at Poland Springs, which is owned by Nestle. And it was a sales job, right, where we pretty much, it was a salary job. So it doesn't matter how much you sold, you were paid the same thing. So right there you have a misalignment, right? So what a lot of us did, we were outside sales, and outside sales and remote, very similar, right? There was no company building. We had a boss that just told us, like, you need to make 2 sales per day. We would, like, fall asleep in the cars, hanging out, and if the boss called us, like, oh, you out selling? It's like we just opened the window to get the noise coming, like, yeah, I'm running around. Almost none of us did. And that's what's going to happen. You can't stop it. How is he going to know what we're doing? And I always think back to those times, like, if there is no incentive, if there's no community, well, like, it is what it is.